Hi guys, how are you doing? Thanks for clicking and welcome to English Vocabulary. In this video, we are going to talk about 15 popular phrasal verbs. So, let's get started. Number 1. Break up. It means to end a relationship. For example, Tom and Mary broke up after 5 months of dating. Number 2. Bring up. It means to mention something. For example, remember, don't bring up Mary's breakup when you talk to her. Number 3. Carry on. It means to continue. For example, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Carry on with your speech. Number 4. Find out. It means to learn of or discover something. For example, I wanted to find out where Tom was from. I couldn't tell by his accent. Number 5. Get along. It means to have a friendly relationship with someone. For example, Tom and Jim get along very well. They never fight. Number 6. Get over. It means to recover from a difficult or upsetting experience. For example, Tom can't get over his breakup with Mary. It's all he can think about. Number 7. Give up. It means to stop trying to do something due to lack of success. For example, Mary didn't give up. She is still trying to pass the test. Number 8. Look after. To take care of someone or something. For example, Mary looked after Tom when he got sick. Number 9. Look forward to. It means to anticipate something. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting you on Sunday. Number 10. Look up. It means to search for information. For example, my professor uses such difficult language that I have to look words up in a dictionary. Number 11. Put off. It means postpone. For example, he had to put off the meeting because he was very busy. Number 12. Take over. It means to assume control over something. For example, the leader of my group left, so I decided to take over. Number 13. Turn out. It means to end up result. For example, the cake turned out to be very good, although Mary had a problem making it. Number 14. Work out. It means end up happily. I was worried about the play I directed, but it all worked out in the end. Number 15. Get rid of. It means remove, throw away something. For example, it's time to get rid of this old sweater. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.